So here's how to create and sell Notion templates. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Notion account. Once you are logged into your Notion account, now here you have to simply select a new page. To sell the Notion templates, you have to create high quality templates. Design and develop templates that are useful, well organized and visually appealing. Make sure they address specific needs or tasks to attract the potential buyers. Here, as you can see, I have created a weekly planner. You can also create your own planners or templates. Familiarize yourself with Notion's features and capabilities. Build templates that showcase the full potential of Notion utilizing databases, pages, properties, and other functionalities. Ensure that your templates are unique and not copied from others. Consider adding a watermark or copyright notice to protect your work. For this, you also have to research the market to understand what types of Notion templates are in demand and what potential buyers are looking for. Identify your target audience and tailor your templates accordingly. Set a reasonable price for your templates based on their quality, complexity, and value to users. Consider offering different pricing tiers for various templates or bundles. After that, establish a platform to sell your templates. You can use your own website with an e-commerce plugin or consider using online marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or Notion's official template gallery. Use social media content marketing and email newsletters to promote your templates. Collaborate with influencers or Notion enthusiasts to increase visibility. Keep refining and updating your templates based on user feedback and changing market demands. Remember to be creative and innovative with your templates to stand out in the competitive market. Selling Notion templates can be a rewarding venture if you create valuable and well-crafted products that cater to the user's need. So that's how to create and sell Notion templates.